Today, I'd like to talk about goal setting. In life, we have tasks, we have dreams, we pursue so many things, and we have goals. We have a deadline, we have dreams, and we put our heart into it. Now, have you ever been in a position where you think that, okay, this goal is too much for me, it's too big, it's not for me, there's something else for me? When that happens in your life, do you pursue? Do you persevere and say, you know what? No, this is my goal. I'm going to reach this goal, whatever happens. Or do you think like, oh, maybe this is not what I'm here for. Maybe there's something bigger. Maybe there's something out there for me. So I actually was very lucky to talk to a few wonderful ladies, and I asked them their opinions on goal setting. Do you persevere? Or do you think it's time to move on and try something else?
Hi there, I'm Missy MacIntosh. I'm the founder, CEO of the award-winning brand, Miss Mac Clean Cosmetics. I'm going to talk to you today about goal setting. I get this question a lot as I have built Miss Mac Clean Cosmetics from the ground up in my small town of Samnar, BC, in my basement. And goals are something that I work with constantly, even if I almost call the goal like a one day. And how I get my one day to that day is by reverse engineering and by writing it down and by talking about it. So I wanted a brand. What's the first thing that I need to do in terms of reverse engineering it? Well, I need a product. Well, I need to find a manufacturer. Well, these are the small steps that you take to go after the goals and to achieve them. And also when goals don't work, what happens? To me, it means that we need to fail into our flow and learning to pivot, because God knows in this time we have all had to pivot and we've all had to keep going and don't stop. If a goal doesn't happen, it just means that it's not the right goal. Figure out a new one and you figure out new ways until you fail into your flow and it starts flowing. Just keep going.
You have a goal, you have a dream, and everyone at some point will have to leave this planet. So my question for you today is this: what do you want to be remembered for? Do you want to be remembered for being healthy, for protecting the animals and the environment, for teaching your community, for empowering others to push through, for helping others become a better person through their actions, their words, or their work? If your goal, if your dream is what you want to be remembered for, but you don't seem to get there, you seem to keep failing and you cannot achieve it, don't let go. Keep trying, keep pushing, keep growing. Ask for help, get uncomfortable, but don't let go, because when you let go of a dream, of a goal that you want to be remembered for, you rob the world of the gift that only you can offer. Keep going.
Life gives us a lot. It also takes away a lot. How do we remain full, hopeful, optimistic? I think it's to create beauty for ourselves and for others, no matter our struggles. May we always be the gentle voice, the listening ear, the kind smile, and the reaching hand to those around us. For God creates beauty out of the ashes, my ashes and your ashes. I like Ethan Hawke's quote. He says, "Courageous expression promotes healing and connection with one another." What will your beautiful, courageous expression be?
Well, thank you everyone for watching, and once again, thank you so much to these wonderful ladies who have joined me in this little episode. And hopefully we can inspire you to keep going, and if ever we fall, we can always rise again, because you are never alone. We are all in this together, and we empower one another. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.